Editing and deleting users. So go to Site, go down to People, All, and this will bring up all of the users on your site. If we want to edit one of these users, you can just click the little pencil icon here that says Edit. You can do this with any of them. I'm going to click this one here, and we're actually going to go in and we're going to change the name here. I'll also change a role. So I'll change the role from Site Admin to Instructor and remove this one. I could also put a password in here. If you do not add a password, it will remain the same. And you can also add any of the other field details. When you've made a change in here, you can always send a notification email to the user. By enabling this option, the user will receive an email notification about the new role assigned, because we've assigned a new role. Click Update, and you'll now see that that user has been successfully changed to Instructor. There. So it's very easy to go in and change these. If we go into a student here, we can also see different options in the tabs, and you can see that this user is enrolled in a course. We could enroll them. We could even enroll them into another course in here as well, and click Update, and that will be done. Now, to delete a user from the system, you can just click this little bin icon. The exception is if the user is in a course. So this student is actually in a course. So I'm going to try to delete this student, and it's going to come up with a problem. User cannot be deleted. This user has enrolled in some of the courses. You need to unenroll them before deleting. So if I did want to delete this user out for any reason, then I would go Edit. I would go into the course that they're enrolled in, down here. I would unenroll them. Now they're unenrolled, I can go back and I can delete that user out. Let's go to All to show all of the users. So you can see the student now has been unenrolled from that course. I'm now able to delete them. Are you sure you want to delete Anne? If I click yes, they will disappear from the system and they are gone. With leads and other role types, as long as they are not inside a course, can be deleted instantly. Let me just delete Anthony Joan here. And there we go. We've deleted them out.